Yo, so welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a little minute. I ain't really been making any videos, posting anything. I've been so busy trying to just prepare for a whole bunch of future things, trying to figure out where the channel's gonna go and also where I'm gonna go in life at this moment. So let me give y'all the update. So y'all already know this. I'm a licensed tattoo artist in Florida. But what y'all don't know, what I just did was I became a licensed tattoo artist in Macon, Georgia. Well, Georgia. So I'm in Macon, Georgia. I'm about an hour away from Atlanta. And one of the main reasons why I decided to dip was like, I ended up leaving because it was just like I felt like I needed a brand new start. I needed to start over, get a new environment, just to do some healing, figure out where I'm at mentally, physically, and spiritually, and financially, to really see where all my money is going, where my head is, what I'm really focused on. Because 3 years ago, I ended up having a daughter. Well, going on 4 years. She'll be 4 next week. I had a daughter, so I didn't really have a lot of time to focus on myself. I became a brand new father, and I was just like, all right, let me make sure that her mom's good. Let me make sure that she's good. And once everybody gets stable and her mom's able to go ahead and get a job of her own again, I'll go ahead and do what I need to do. So some of y'all know, I closed my tattoo shop down. I kind of felt like that was like a very bad move on me because I was just moving sporadic and emotional at that time. But now we here. Can't go back to the past. Can only focus on the future. So let me give y'all, something to look forward to. So this channel will be about, it's gonna kind of be like vlog style. I'm gonna have a bunch of how-to videos on business, stock market, IULs, all the financial goodies. Basically everything I've done for myself to be able to close down a whole entire business that was making $300,000 a year and start over from scratch. I was able to go ahead and leave with some type of cushion because I ended up selling my business. So a lot of people don't know that. Got a little bag off of that. And yeah, but I wanted to go ahead and talk about that. Also, y'all know I day trade on the side. Just show y'all how that's going, and how that's impacting my life, and the things I do on a daily basis just to try to get my psyche back. 'Cause like I said, I fell down for like the last 4 years. 'Cause just reality, it was like just a huge reality shift, and I feel like a lot of people need to go ahead and see what was really going on. You get me? I feel like people today don't get enough of the process. A lot of people don't see people's process. People just see a clickbait video, person goes viral, they famous, but they don't show y'all the behind the scenes of like, all right, this the day to day. Like, hey, I wake up every morning, I go for a run, and after that, I break my fast with a smoothie, maybe some amino acids, or some garlic and honey, things like that, that I feel like could be holistic and actually help people, whether it be with their health, and spiritually with your discipline, like, and consistency, things of that nature. So it's kind of gonna be kind of like vlog style, because I kind of wanted to I wanted to still be fun and educational at the same time. That's just my thing. So with that being said, I'll be dropping videos once a week. Mostly the vlog stuff. I really want to get it down to doing 2 videos a week, because I do have like kind of like a compilation of like how-to videos for certain stuff, but it's a little more trading savvy. But I just want to welcome y'all on this journey, because I do feel like I have a ton of information that I've had for almost a decade now, and since most people are always asking me to pick my brain, why not just give it out for free? Here go the free game. Y'all can see what I'm going through, my ups and downs and all the process, and just see where I'm at here with it. Because you can sit here and say you want to be rich, or you can want to sit here and say you want to get closer to God, or you want to sit here and say you want to build a relationship with a woman or a man or whatnot. You're going to have those ups and downs, and you know what you got going on here is going to either make you better or break you. So yeah, subscribe to the YouTube. This the comeback season.